again, reverse torque sequences, very important. You want to take off the head bolts and take off the head in the reverse order that it would tell you to tighten them. So if you look here, I have a general manual for a small block Chevy, and right here is the torque sequence to tighten the bolts. So we are going to follow this in reverse order, and we are going to remove all the bolts, then remove the head. So you'll see, if you notice here, it says number 17, 16, then 15 is right here, 14. So as I've discussed before, it's going opposite in. And since when we have this guide right with us, we can do that instead of just trying to guess. So this is a perfectly acceptable job for using an impact to take these bolts out, because they're going to be very tight. They've been in there a long time. So now I get my 1/2 inch impact in my socket. So I'm going to follow that. I'm going to go to 17 and go in reverse order. Bolts out. I'm going to take them all out, and I'll take the head off. Now this is where, if you have any coolant left in the block, it's definitely gonna pee all over you right in this spot. This is one of the spots. The second spot is when you flip the block over to start working on the lower end and the oil pan. That is definitely when you're going to get antifreeze everywhere. So I got the bolts out, and we put them aside. And typically then, the best way to get the head out is just to grab it and pull it like this and pull it off. You got dowel pins that are in the block, they go into the head, it's going to keep it where it's supposed to go. If you can't get it out, you can usually take some wood or something and move it back and forth like this in order to pop it out. So let's see how easy it is. Oh, it's pretty easy. It's going to be very heavy because it's cast iron. So make sure, if you got like a big block or something, you might need some help, because they get fairly heavy. So let me get this book out of the way. I already got some grease all over it. And let me get the head off of here. And that is the correct way to remove a cylinder head. Thanks for watching.